There is this one tube that we neglected for way too long. It's been called the holographic orange tube for a while, but it has a new name now: music. Starting from now on, we're going to call it the sunset tube. Thanks, Sean, for giving it that beautiful name.
Hey Eric, it's Sean with Our Story Media. I'm just getting ready to shoot here with my favorite tube. This is the hollow orange tube, but I've been liking to call it the sunset tube for obvious reasons if you look at the colors.
And sunset works great in that case because it's actually purple and orange, as you can see in this picture. And it works very well with a cold white balance around 3800. So that's going to be near the end of the blue hour if you follow the settings chart that you can see here. More details on that in episode. But there's something very special about this one. So this is the way I use it most of the time. So it's holographic and I have that black cover. So it's going to be mostly purple. So the ambience will be purple, get some tints of orange. But there's another way to use that, and it's to use it without the black cover, like this. And if I put the light inside of it, you'll see why. So I put the flashlight in one end, turn it on, and so on one side, you see, it's orange, so that's the back side. And on the other side, it's more holographic, orange and purple, depending on the angle. It's a bit hard to master this one, and it's going to be very different from one picture to the other. But that side, on the orange side, it's going to be mostly constant, no holographic color. So I would suggest, if you use that kind of tube, would be to use a removable black cover like this. So we talked about that kind of accessories in many videos. That is simply a T8 tube that we sliced, and on this one we added a black tape at the back. Wee minou! I'm going to insert the tube inside of it. But now that I have this, I can rotate it in different direction to get different colors. So I can mix more to the orange side or more to the purple side. So currently it's mostly orange. So that is going to look very similar to a milky orange tube. There is no holographic colors on that side only. But if I start to rotate, and you can do diagonals, you can go crazy with this, but if I start to rotate the tube inside the removable color, you see right away that it's starting to look a bit more purple. So you can play a lot with this. And actually I have an example on this one here. This is a self-made 360 shot using this exact tube, and on the first one I have no black cover, so you can see the orange on one side and the purple on the other side, and on the other one I have the black cover, so the orange is not as obvious. Still some orange colors, but not as much. My battery is blinking. Give me just 1 second. Okay, we're back. I tried also mixing with these two feathers because it fits super well with the two colors that we get from the tube. So I used my rim cap, this one here. I inserted the feathers on the little holes, just like this. So by doing this, you get the two colors outside of the tube. So I'm going to put that on top like this. So you can see I'm going to get the purple and the orange at the top with some fade in, fade out. Really beautiful. So I have this example right here using this exact combination. And that trick with the color on one side and the holographic on the other side using a removable black cover can be made with a bunch of different tubes. Actually I have five of them that works with this. So in that order, I have the blue-green, which is going to give you the blue-green holographic on one side and the blue on the other side. You get the red-pink. On the holographic it's red and pink, and on the colored side it's pink. So this one looks very similar to a milky pink tube. I got the peach that is going to give you reddish green on one side, on the holographic side, and then that color, kind of peach, on the other side. We get the watermelon also. On the holographic side it's green and purple, and on the other side purple only, solid color. So it's really fun to play with these tubes, especially if you have that removable black cover. If you don't, it's fine. Like at the base, like these tubes are made to be used as holographic tubes to get a lot of colors, but it can be interesting also to use the other side to get a solid color, so it can be kind of a 2-in-1 tube if you're using that removable black cover. Anything else about this, Minou? You're not in the frame. Come here. So much color, so much fun. All of these tubes are available on lightpainting.store. They are all made here at the studio. And we also teach how you can make your own holographic tubes. There's a video about that. I'm going to put the link down below. So have fun with that and send me a link to your pictures. I'm eager to see what you're going to create. Thank you. See you soon.